All right, everybody, welcome to 217 Goofy Graphing. Your do now for today, it says Miss K's class wants to graph the data from the table. Help her class begin by writing the data in the table as ordered pairs. One ordered pair is done for you as an example. So the first thing you'll do today as your do now is to take the rest of the data in the table that you see at the right and complete the other ordered pairs. So the first ordered pair is x of 2, y of 8. So the ordered pair becomes 2, comma 8. All right, so that's the first thing. The rest of the lesson will essentially be trying to identify errors that the class made while graphing this data. Okay, some vocabulary that might be useful for you as you are answering these questions today and identifying the errors are x values, y values, ordered pairs, x-axis, y-axis, plotting, points, interval, scale. I would also add, I'm just going to do this right now. I'm going to add title and labels. And you might mention that. Okay. So for graph 1, I'm going to show you kind of how I would go about this. It's really pretty simple. You're going to, for each of the next couple of pages here, there's 4 different graphs. We'll do one together. You're going to basically examine the graph that you see in the upper right, and then in writing over here, you're going to describe the error the students made. So you might start it out, say the error that the students made when graphing was, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look and see if we can find out what it was. All right, so it looks like, based on what I'm seeing, that they tried to graph this first point, which was 2, comma 8. Okay, I see that for the x they have 8, and for the y they have 2. Well, hold on. That looks a little backwards to me, actually. In my table, it said x was 2, y was 8. They're saying x is 8 and y is 2. So to me, the error that they made when they're graphing is that they flipped their x and y. Okay, so I'm going to try to say what they did. So was when the students graphed the, here's a vocabulary word, ordered pair 2, comma 8, they flipped the x value and y value. More vocabulary. Instead of graphing 2, 8, they actually graphed the point, another vocabulary word, 8, comma 2. Okay, so there is their mistake. You could put that in red or bold it or whatever, make it stand out. But that's essentially what you're doing. You'll go through, and for each of the graphs, you're going to try to describe what error was made. And there's 3 more. Your teachers, I'm sure, will be around to support you doing this, and good luck.